What's up, fam? Welcome back to Fam Life TV. It's Cari, and you see I have my two cornrows today because I am going to be showing you how to make head wraps using leggings. I'm going to be showing you 5 styles today. This is a quick tutorial. You're going to love it, and this is definitely going to keep your hair protected. Underneath the wrap, I keep my hair nice and moisturized in my two cornrows, and I'm going to be using a bonnet to make sure I'm protecting my hair even more. So the reason I'm starting with 2 cornrows is to show you that you can keep your hair protected and that you can do this with short hair. Right here is a pillowcase. I wanted to use a pillowcase because I needed something that wasn't too harsh on my hair. So I'll show you what that's for in a minute. All right, so I'm putting the bonnet on my head, easy. Doesn't matter what color your bonnet is because it's not going to show through the leggings. Alright, and now I'm taking my pillowcase. You can use a scarf for this, anything that's not too rough. This one isn't 100% cotton or anything. It's kind of a mix where it's really soft. So I'm folding it, and then I fold it again, and then I'm just going to fold it down. So I'm just rolling it up, and this is actually what I'm going to use for the base of my wrap. So a lot of people, you'll put your bun inside of the wrap, so your hair is in a bun, and then you wrap the leggings or the scarf around your hair. Well, in this video, I'm going to be replacing the bun that you would normally do with your hair, and I'm using the pillowcase. So now you can already see the shape that it's going to create. All right, here are my leggings. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at the color. They're so bright, and I just love them. They make me smile. They make me want to dance. Hey, y'all know I got to dance a little bit. All right, so here's what you're going to do with your leggings. You're going to take the leggings and just place them right over your head. Make sure you cover up the bonnet. We are going to do some adjusting later, but you want it to be as good as it possibly can be as you're wrapping this around the first time. But of course, it can be adjusted at the end. All right. So now I'm just readjusting where I have the pillowcase or where you would put a scarf or anything else that you would want to use. Make sure that the back is covering your hair. And now we're going to wrap the legs around. I know it looks kind of silly right now. Hang with me. All right, so once you have that wrapped around, you'll bring it to the front. Crisscross, switch hands, and pull. Now, as you see, it's not going to look perfect yet, okay? So I'm doing just a little bit of adjusting, pulling over my ears. Wrap it all the way around, and when I get to the back, this is when I'm going to tie my leggings. Now, the reason I'm doing it here is because these leggings are actually not the ones that go all the way down to the ankle, so they're a little shorter. If you have a longer pair, you would tie it there, wrap again, and then wrap all the way back around, basically until it can't wrap anymore. But mine are shorter, so I'm done wrapping already. So I'm going to just tuck my ends right in. Okay. Now, I like the way this looks already, but as you see right here, it's still loose, and we do not want this thing just to fall off. So what I do is very simple. I just pull from both sides, bring those together, one over the other, and then I tuck it right under the wrap. And I'm all done. And as you see, you can wear it behind your ears or over your ears. That's up to you. But I just love this, and look how easy that is. And ladies, it really does not look like leggings. You really can't tell. No one will know unless they see this video that I'm wearing leggings. But yeah, I just love this. So this is just a little wrap around, spin around to show you what it looks like. But I love it. I hope you do too. Now I am going to show you another style and what you can do with these leggings. But before I go into that, make sure you go ahead and give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this first style. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Let me know what you use to make your turbans or your head wraps, all right? So now we're going to get into style number 2. I'm going to take my pillowcase, which you could also be using a scarf or anything else, as the base of your bun. And I'm going to put it towards the back of my head now. So right in the back, because I'm going to do a bun, a low bun. And I think you guys are going to like this one. So you bring the leggings right over your head. And then you wrap the two legs. Bring it around the bottom of the bun. Tie it at the top. And then you just stick the ends into the bun. Very easy, very stylish. Now if you want to just move it back a little bit, show your edges, you don't have to, that is optional, but I love this. Very, very easy. One of the simplest ones we have. That's number 2. All right, and now we are going straight into style number 3. I am taking my pillowcase, and this time I'm not gonna fold it all the way down. I really just need it to add a little bit of fluff. I don't need much. All right, and into style number 3. So you wanna make sure it's tight on the back first, because we're gonna be working in the front. And then you're just gonna bundle up any of the excess material and tuck it under the front. All right, and then you just wanna twist, 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 and it's gonna start to naturally twist up into the front where you have to spin it around, and you'll see that happen. And just bring it around nice and tight and tuck it in. And now you see it's still a little bit loose. If this happens to you, all you have to do is make sure it's covering the back, pull it forward, and then stick any of the excess under the bun. And that's what you want to do to make sure all of your styles are neat. Making sure you pull any of the excess material up and sticking it under the knot. But I love this one, very cute. All right, ladies, we are going into style number 4. All right, so you're just gonna wrap everything together. So both legs of the leggings, and you're bringing it to one side, and it automatically starts to form that knot. Twist it around nice and tight. And then you're gonna tuck in your ends. Now for this one, I am going to use a hair tie, just to make sure that stays in nice and neat. All right, and so I hope you like this one. That's number 4. Hey. All right, and so listen, ladies, I am giving you 5 styles. I am showing you how to create head wraps using leggings, okay, or turbans, whatever you want to call them, using leggings. So we're gonna get right into style number 5. All right, so you wanna bring the leggings over your head, and this time we're gonna bunch everything up in the front. And I'm gonna take my hair tie and just tie the excess fabric there. And now I'm gonna bring the legs around, make a knot underneath the ponytail that we made, spin it back around the front, and then tuck those in. And if you are using longer leggings, you can tie it again in the front if you want, and just keep going around as many times as you like. So if you've learned anything from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. This was 5 ways. I gave you 5 styles on how to create head wraps using leggings. Be sure to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to keep family first.